In the video, we watch the man add the number of shells collected. We add when we want to put things together, when we want to join things or combine them. When we add, the most important thing to remember is that our place values must always line up correctly. This means we have a column for our ones, we have a column for our tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, just like in a place value chart. A place value chart is a great tool to use when practicing addition because it forces us to keep our numbers lined up correctly. Let me show you. So if I want to add, let's just start simple with 2 plus 3. I know that 2 is for 2 ones, not 2 tens, not 2 hundreds. That 2 means I have 2 ones. So I'm going to put that 2 in the ones place. And then we always stack our numbers when we add. So I'm going to place that 3 under it. That 3, is that 3 ones? Is that 3 tens? Is that 3 hundreds? It's just 3 ones, right? So I will keep the 3 in the ones place stacked right under that 2. Now my digits are lined up and I can easily add them. I'm going to add that little line there so I can separate my answer. And I can easily add them. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, let's do a little bigger. Let's go 13 plus 14. Same way I did before, I'll line up by place value. So place your first number exactly where it goes in the place value chart. I know 13 is made of 1 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to put it right where we go on a place value chart in the tens and ones column. And I know 14, so when I stack it under it, is made of 1 10 and 4 ones. So I'm going to put that right where it goes in the place value chart. Once I have it stacked correctly in the right place value, I can then add it easily just like I did before. We always, 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 always start with our ones when we add. So we're going to start with our ones. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our sum, or our answer when we add, is 27. Let's do one a little different this time. This time I'm going to do 22 plus 6. I don't want to do that. 22 plus 6. So this one's going to be a little bit different because I have a different number of digits in each of my numbers, but we do it the exact same way. So 22, I know, is made of 2 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to put it right where it goes in the place value chart. But what about this 6? Am I going to put it in my tens or my ones? I'm going to put it in my ones because this is 6 ones. It's not 6 tens. If I put it here, that would mean I'm adding 60. I'm not adding 60. I'm only adding 6. So 20, once I have it lined up, just like before, 22 plus 6, always, 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 always start with your ones. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And this 2 doesn't have anything under it. What do you think we're going to do? We're just going to move that baby right down. We're just going to drop it. And my sum, or my answer, when I add is 28. On the next slide, I want you to fill in the place value charts like you're going to add the problems given. And if you feel ready to add, you can go ahead and add them. But right now, our main focus is just lining them up in the place value chart correctly. I'll give you 4 problems to add, and you will stack them in the place value chart just as you've been shown. Let's see how you do.